When it comes to managing your money, two names pop up almost instantly: YNAB and Mint. Both are big players in the budgeting world, but they take very different routes to help you stay in control of your finances. So which one's your perfect match? In this video, we'll break down their features, pricing, and style, so by the end, you'll know exactly which app fits your money mindset. How YNAB works. YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, is like that strict but caring financial coach who won't let a single rupee or dollar wander without purpose. Its whole idea is to give every dollar a job. You plan your money in advance, set categories for everything, and avoid surprises. YNAB connects to your bank, lets you set saving goals, and generates detailed reports that show where your money is really going. The app's philosophy is all about building healthy money habits and finally saying goodbye to the paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. How Mint works. On the other hand, Mint takes a more relaxed approach. Think of it as a personal finance assistant that quietly works in the background. Once you link your accounts, Mint automatically tracks your expenses, categorizes transactions, and gives you a neat snapshot of your overall financial health. It even comes with extras like free credit score monitoring, bill reminders, and investment tracking. Mint doesn't force you to plan every rupee. It just shows you where your money flows so you can spot patterns and adjust. Pricing and platform support. Now, here's where things get interesting. Mint is completely free, supported by ads and partner deals. YNAB, on the other hand, is subscription-based, billed monthly or annually, though it does offer a free trial if you want to test it out. Both apps are available on web, iOS, and Android. So whether you're a laptop planner or a mobile-on-the-go person, you're covered. Which app should you pick? If you're someone who loves hands-on planning, wants to set saving goals, and likes being in full control, YNAB is your app. But if you prefer simplicity, want automatic tracking, and like the idea of a free tool that gives you instant overviews, Mint will feel like home. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your financial personality. Are you the active planner or the passive observer? Whichever you choose, the goal is the same: taking charge of your money and making it work for you.